Welcome back to my channel, bitch. Hey guys, I'm back in my bathroom at home because it's winter break. So I'm home for like a week and then I go back to school. But while I'm here, this is my favorite place to film. I love filming in this bathroom. I feel the most creative. This is my safe space. Let's get ready. I'm going to dinner with some of my friends from high school. I didn't bring any primer, so I'm just using the Wet n Wild Take Your Vitamins priming spray. I'm just gonna spray my face. So this has been my foundation duo recently. I use the Rare Beauty foundation and I just apply a little bit. And then I go over it with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless just to give it that like extra glow. Yeah, I filmed this tutorial like 100 times on TikTok, so if you want to see other variations of this, you can go to my TikTok and watch. These are also my favorite brushes, the Morphe Ariel brush collab collection, both in the eyeshadow and the complexion. They're so good. I don't know what it is about traveling during like the holidays, but I feel like whenever I come home, I always get a little bit sick. And I don't know if it's from flying and like, I don't know, just the plane air recycling or coming from like Arizona sunshine to like coming to the cold. But like I had such a sore throat last night and then I woke up and it was fine. But like, I don't know, it's weird how it all happens. And I feel like I always lose my voice or something like that happens whenever I come home. So I got ACURE because I was like, what if it's just allergies and I'm just like not used to being around this? I don't know. I have no idea. So I'm just going with the flow, you know? Okay, next, recently I've been trying the Kosas concealer. It's so good. And it blends like a literal dream. I started decorating my room for Christmas already. I was born on Christmas, so Christmas is like my favorite holiday. I think Halloween, I used to hate Halloween, but Halloween now is like a close second, specifically because now that I'm like old enough and have like my own creative ability and I don't have like dress code for Halloween, I love Halloween because I can like do really cool creative makeup with it and like create my own outfits. I always do Halloween with my roommate Amaris, and so this Halloween we were butterflies with our roommate Shaylee. I'll put a picture up. And then the next night we were Maddie and Cassie, just me and Amaris. And then we were avatars, me and Amaris were, and the avatars was definitely my favorite look. It was so fun, so creative, and just like a very unique outfit, and it was really fun to sit down and do the makeup for because I gave myself plenty of time to do it because it was on a Saturday, so I didn't have any class or anything, so I just got to sit there, paint my face, figure it out, and then Amaris just sat on my floor and I just painted her face while we watched like Sam and Colby's YouTube video. I love them. So we watched them while we were doing her makeup and it was so peaceful and fun and just like, it was like my just like little artist moment. So it was really fun. We got convinced we weren't gonna go out the fourth night, but we got convinced to. So we were last minute, we were kisses. I'll put that up here. So we reused our Lightning McQueen outfits and then just put a bunch of kisses all over our bodies. The last night, so actually on Halloween, we were, what were we? Oh my gosh, why can't I remember? Oh, that last night of Halloween, we were Blades of Glory, our own version of it. So I'll put photos up there again so you can see that. But yeah, this Halloween was really fun. Next, I'm going in with the Merit bronzer stick. I really like this one because it's a really good honey undertone, which I feel like complements my hair color really well. And it's just not too bright. Like it gives a really natural bronzed look. And then I'm also just gonna kind of warm up this like area in my jawline because I don't like sometimes how pale it gets. And also I know the lighting is kind of tough down here. When I'm done with the makeup, I'll give you guys like a good lighting view so you can see how it really turns out. Okay, I'm gonna use Rare Beauty blush today and Happy. We all know that this blush is a gem of a blush. These blushes are so good. I really want to work with Rare Beauty. I haven't yet. Actually, they put me on their website before, so I have gotten like recognized by them before, but I would really love to work with them. So this is me putting it out into the universe. I would love to work with you, Rare Beauty. Okay, and then now I'm going to set my face with powder. And my powder routine right now is so amazing. It's so good. Every time I post, you guys are like, what powders do you use? Here's the tea. I use the Jaclyn X Robin powder, and this is in the shade Sheer Light. It's a loose setting powder. And then I'll go in my under eyes and I'll set with the Jaclyn Brightening Light Banana. It's so good. The Brightening Light Banana makes it look like my eyes are awake and not puffy, and just like I look more like alive. So then I'm just gonna set like my whole face with the Sheer Light. It's so good because it doesn't like dry out your face, but it gives this like sheer glow effect while mattifying it as well. Okay, and then I'm going in with the Banana Bay. Like, look at the difference in that and then that. It really makes all the difference in the world. Okay, then now that I'm done with all of my like cream products, that was more like my base structure layer. And then now I'm gonna go in with my powder products. So I'm gonna start with bronzer. Today, I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Bronzer and Blush Duo. Another really good bronzer duo is the JOUER Bronzer Duo. I've like hit pan on that one already, and I like just got it recently. It's such a good palette. This one is also really good. It gives like a sheer bronzy golden glow. And I'm just gonna use that to warm up my face, bring some warmth back. Put a little bit on my ears too, just so it all blends together. Powder blush, I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Cosmetics Rouge palette, and I'm gonna use this one and the Dainty one. This blush palette is so good. Even the they sent me, so I bought this one and then they sent me the red and like orange tone one, and I didn't think that that would look good with my just like complexion, but that palette is just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Both of these, the formulas, the shades, all of them, every single shade is pretty. I've used every single shade in this. Love it. Like, if you need to get a blush palette, it's this one or the red tone one. They're so good. I end up reaching for these every time. And then the nice thing is, if you ever feel like you do too much, which you can never do too much blush, I personally feel I just throw whatever is left on my setting powder brush and just run it over, and it'll help smooth everything out. I don't normally wear a highlight because I just naturally have like a little bit of a dew coming off from the Charlotte Tilbury, so I normally don't wear a highlight because over time, as your makeup will start to like melt, you'll just be left with a really natural glowy look. But if I go out at night and I have more like nightlife makeup, then I will put on a little bit of a highlight. And I really like the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette. That one like chunky highlight, oh, it's so pretty. It's such a beautiful glow. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And for that, I'm gonna use the new Glamentic brow. This one's really good. I personally would get a little bit of a lighter shade. That's why I'm not gonna use the fluff at the bottom, but the fluff is really good. Like, that fluff will hold down your brows forever. So when I get a lighter shade of this, I'm definitely gonna be using that fluff. And I'm just gonna brush that up. And I just use Morphe Clear Gel to hold that in place right now. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the Wet n Wild Detox Setting Spray, just because I'm done with my like complexion. I'm sure you guys know who Alex Early is. I don't hope I pronounced her last name right, but she's been using the Better Than Sex Waterproof and then uses the Roller Lash on top of that for her mascara, and her mascara always looks so good. And I have little baby lashes. I currently use the Merit mascara, and I love this mascara. I've rebought it a handful of times. I really, really like it. Another mascara that I really liked is the Triple Threat, but I just have little baby lashes, so I'm always down to try new lash techniques. So I'm gonna try hers today and see how it goes. I'm gonna do what I always do, and I'm gonna use my lash curler to curl my lashes first. Okay, so she always starts with the Better Than Sex Waterproof. Okay, and then next I'm gonna put on the Roller Lash. This is what it looks like. Okay, Alex, I think you're onto something, girl, because this looks really good. You guys, she was definitely onto something, because normally my mascara would have fallen by now, and it is still holding. For lip liner today, I'm gonna go in with Heaven Sent from Kylie. I'm getting tacos today, and I love tacos. What lippy do I want to go in with? Next, I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty lipstick in the shade Humble. And then I'm gonna go in with the MAC lip gloss in the shade Coral of the Wild. This was at the bottom of my makeup bag, and had I known it was there, I definitely would have worn it more when I was at school. And that's it, my makeup is done. Okay, this is what the makeup looks like in better lighting. Now I'm just gonna do my hair and get ready. I'll come back and show you guys my final look. Okay, this is the finished look. I'm just wearing like leather pants, a white top, and a black flannel. The shirt and the flannel are my mom's because I packed 3 pairs of pants for this trip and nothing else, so we're wrapping my mom's closet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't be shy to give it a big thumbs up. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye, beauties.